Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lower door seal in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx 20 screwdriver, pair of needle-nose pliers, and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lower door seal and a couple of clips. The lower door seal is located at the bottom of the dishwasher door. It prevents water from splashing out of the tub. If your dishwasher leaves a rather large puddle of water under the door, it's time to check the lower door seal and replace it if needed. We can begin by taking the 3 Torx 20 screws out at the bottom here. And that's going to free the door handle from the panel. I'm going to use the Torx 20 screwdriver and remove that screws. And now we can open the door and take out the screws that holds the inner door to the outer door panel. We're going to take out the 4 screws on the top. This is a Torx 20 screwdriver. And remove it one by one. And now we're going to move to the side and take out this screws. These side screws are a little bit shorter than the screws from the top. I'm going to close the door and I'm going to slide down the outer panel with the touchpad here. So I'm going to pull up and remove this touchpad with the control board and just let it hang down slowly. Make sure you don't break anything, any like harness. And we can remove this outer door panel. So I can open the door and we're going to attach this control panel to the door for the time being, so we would not damage it accidentally. I'm going to use this, I only put 4 out of 6 screws in. We don't need all 6. That's our famous Torx 20 screws. And another one over here. And next to it. And one in this corner. So we're going to take out the 2 screws that holds the dishwasher to the counter. That's a Phillips, and I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver and slowly starting it, rocking side to side, pull out the dishwasher, and then I'm going to grab it at the top and pull it out about 3, well, I should say maybe 4 to 5 inches. While you're pulling it, make sure that you have enough hoses at the back, and if it's too short, you have to disconnect them from under the sink. That would be plenty. Open the door slightly, and then using the needle-nose pliers, you're going to grab the door cable here, pull and close the door. I'm going to release the cable from the cable guide. And do the same thing on the opposite side. I'm going to open the door slightly so we can put the needle-nose pliers here and close the door and take that the cable off the hinge. I'm going to place a cardboard box on the floor under the door so we won't break anything because it has no springs anymore. All right. And now we can proceed with removing the door. So using a Torx 20 screwdriver, we're going to take out this two screws that hold the hinge on this side. So we're going to remove these two screws on the right side. I'm going to use the Torx 20 screwdriver. I'm going to grab the door by the sides and slowly pull it over the hinge first, and then I'm going to turn it over. Don't try to walk away with the door because it's still hooked up by the harness to the dishwasher. I'll place it on the box. Using the flathead screwdriver, we're gonna pop this clip off. And the same thing on the opposite side. And I'm going to remove it. So now we're going to use the same flat blade screwdriver, and we're going to stick it here and bend open slightly that bracket, and we're going to pull up the overflow. And then we're going to remove it. At this point we have this lower door seal exposed, and we can easily remove it by pulling it up. This is the old lower door seal next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from appliancepartspros.com. At this point, I would like to remove the lower dish rack. Before installing the new lower door seal, please make sure that this edge is clean. You can use a sponge soap and make it clean. The new lower door seal goes in this way. So turn it around. We have a deep groove here that goes over this edge. So we're going to bend it and start installing it. Then the very ends of it. Make sure it's on all the way. Now is the time to install the corner clips. I'm going to place it this way, right in here, and that cut out here. Push it down, and it locks. And we go to the opposite side, place it on the top, and push it down. And now is the time to install the overflow container. This edge goes over this into the groove, and then this clip locks over here. So I'm going to start putting it in. Bend the seal, place the end caps over the hinges. And now we're going to place the door back on. Right, we're going to grab the door and carefully flip it over and place it on the hinges. Make sure the seal is inside. And now we're going to secured with the 2 screws on each side. So after we align the holes, we're going to install these Torx 20 screws. Don't tighten it yet. And we're going to put the second screw. Again, align the hole. And now we can tighten both screws. And then I'm going to switch the sides. I'm going to match the holes and install this 2 screws. First this one. I'm using a Torx 20 screwdriver. I'm going to put it in. Do not tighten it real tight yet. Let the hinge move a little bit. And then we're going to match this one. And secure it with the second screw. Now we can tie it. And this one too. Alright. So we can now slide the lower dish rack in. At this point we're going to close the door. And we can take the box away. Put the cable on the cable guide. Stretch the spring. Hold it. And I'm going to use the pliers. I'm going to pull on that hook and place it on the hinge. I'm going to open the door, see how that works. Good. Install the door cable on the cable guide. Pull it up, put it on the back here, and I'm going to grab it with the pliers and put it on the hinge. And again, push it back in and install the dishwasher. So now we're going to open the door. We're going to remove that 4 Torx 20 screws that holds the control panel. So we can lower down the control panel and close the door. Be careful not to break the wires. Now we're going to install the outer door panel. So we're going to pick up the control panel. Be aware of the wiring. So bring it up. And then on angle, like this, we have to go in. So this plastic goes into the door. And then these tabs on the top will go inside the cutouts in the outer door panel. All right. To install the outer door panel, we need to lift it off and put the inside strip on the top of the hinges. And then reach in and open the door. Support it on the sides and put your knee under. So I'm going to put 1 screw to hold the doors together and a Torx 20 screwdriver. Tighten it. And another one, I guess, would be better. We're going to put the bottom one too. So we have this side secured. Move to the opposite side. And the one more at the bottom. Please note that these 3 screws on each side are the short screws. The top one here and the 4 on the top are longer screws. That's the last short screw on this side. And we're going to install the longer ones. And the last short screw goes on this side. And I can put the first long screw. And next 4 top screws. Do not over tighten them, they are going into the plastic. I'm going to secure the dishwasher to the countertop. I use the Phillips screwdriver. So we're going to close the door. So we're going to install the 3 sharp-ended screws from the bottom. We're going to use a Torx 20 screwdriver. And there's one there, right in there. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.